जय मसीह।
जय मसीह।
तब पहले कस्तोचा
अच्छा
मेरा बर्थडे that means 68 60 in Kerala it is Shashti Purti. It's थोड़ा बड़ा सेलिब्रेशन है। एनीवे 28 साल यूनिवर्सिटी में काम किया, प्रोफेसर का काम, जेनेटिक्स प्रोफेसर। उसके बाद नेपाल में आया। अभी नेपाल में 4 ऑफिस है, 4 नंबर है, 4 मोबाइल है, 4 बीवी नहीं है। एनीवे थोड़ा स्वीट्स दिया। मेरा शादी वाज ऑल्सो I saw only 2 sweets but in a card. Thanks Betty and Stephen 27/11/1994. So that money was used for constructing a house, this house, for a tribal. So a tribal woman and her bacha. So they lived more than 25-26 years happily in that house and died there recently. So that money was utilized for construction of a house. Anyway, after at that time, that 39-40 years back, this Adi was not born. He came from the forest 2-3 years back because of hungry. People not given anything but mar kiya and kill kiya this Admi, that is Mahmood. So you can why killing without giving food? That is very bad. Anyway, time only less than 2 minutes. I will finish within 3 minutes because I am a teacher, always ऐसा. Anyway, भगवान राम इंडिया से नेपाल आया सीता देवी को शादी करने के लिए। हमारा भगवान जीसस को at 33 we killed on a cross. We killed Jesus on a cross before Shadi. Anyway, Nepal mein I am happy because I have lot of children, beta beti, and majority of you are like my grandchildren. So thank you so much. Please pray for me also. Thank you.